Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I'm very well today.
I'm Jennifer. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice
Mm,
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am from Iraq.
Iraq. Oh,
Mm,
okay.
yeah.
I'm in the US.
Oh, good. Awesome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I see you have some nice pictures on your wall. Your pictures. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Baiting.
Uh-huh. I like it.
Yes. Look.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, New York, Paris, Rome. Oh, very beautiful. Uh, Italy? Is the other one Italy? I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Italy and Istanbul in Turkey.
Oh, how beautiful.
This is called Galata Tower.
Galata Tower. Oh,
Yeah. Have you been visit Turkey?
no, I would like to go. I hear it's beautiful.
Yeah, Turkey, Istanbul is very interesting city.
Uh-huh. Oh, have you visited there many times?
Yeah, many times I visit Istanbul because it's a nearest city.
Oh, nice. It's
Y-
it's nearest to Iraq?
yes, yes,
Oh, cool.
yes.
Have you visited Europe too? Like Paris, France, England?
N- no, no, at all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me either.
I hope someday. I hope someday to visit
Mhm.
Europe. Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I haven't yet before either.
Uh, have you traveled in any country? Uh,
I've traveled to South America,
yeah.
Mexico, Canada, and
Yeah.
some islands in the Caribbean.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, I think my favorite was the islands in the Caribbean. There's a country called Barbados.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful island, and the water is like a beautiful blue color. It's
Uh-huh.
very, and it's
And
warm.
oh, nice. And maybe very pure water.
Yeah, like
Uh-huh.
you can look down and you could see far
And
down.
yeah,
Hmm.
there are in Caribbean there are many beach.
Yeah, there are many beautiful beaches in the Caribbean.
Yeah. And what is the fall you have been there? Is it in summer or winter?
Oh, when I went there, it was in the autumn, in the fall. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but they don't have like a winter, fall, summer. They either have like rainy season or dry season. Yeah, they don't
Yeah.
have seasons like they do in America. It's different.
Yes.
Hmm. So it's always warm. It's always warm there.
Maybe that's good for you because
Yeah.
yeah, my friend sent it to me today video. He live in Ohio, and
Oh.
yeah, and in the video, show me the snowfall and
Uh-huh.
snowfall and say look at the snow, 2 inches
Oh,
above
wow.
the car, above the street.
Wow.
Yes.
Does
So
does go ahead.
go ahead.
Does it snow in Iraq?
No, at all.
No. It
We.
doesn't snow where I live either. I live in a city called Phoenix and it's in the desert. So it
Uh-huh.
doesn't snow where I live.
Uh,
Yeah.
the do you have red mountains around you?
Yeah, I could travel and see red mountains.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love the red mountains.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
I see just in the American movie.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
I hope someday to see lively.
Yeah, to see in real life, it would be nice.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's
And how you have been teaching English on Cambly?
Yeah, I've been teaching on English on Cambly for about 3 months now, I think. Yeah.
Uh-huh. That's interesting because I have been learning on Cambly around almost 3 months.
Oh, nice. Do you like
Yeah, yeah, I like it so much because help me to improve my skills on conversation.
it? Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
Have you noticed that you are improving?
Yeah, I'm improving, but sometimes I feel frustration because I'm very boring with the same conversation or with the same conversation. The tutor asking me, "What do you want to do today?" So I tell the tutor, just conversation and. The tutor say to me, start to introduce myself. So
Uh-huh.
I introduce myself many times. I feel bored.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Conversation.
yeah. I want to level up. I want to take next step. I want to learn new word. I
Oh,
I want to be natural in conversation and talk in free words, something like
mhm.
that.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
takes time, but you're doing good. You're doing very good. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I know. 3 months is very little period.
Yeah,
I
it's a
have,
short time.
yeah, short time. I have to practice more.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Do you use a new tutor every time, or do you use the same tutors?
No, no. I always use a different tutor because
Ah,
the time, different time. So
mhm.
I don't. I see many tutors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Uh,
you probably see good tutors and bad tutors.
well, sometimes some tutors make me feel boring, especially
Oh,
especially the Canadian. I don't know. I don't know. Uh, an American.
yeah?
Yeah. I feel something like my tutor asking me how children do you have, and I
Uh-huh.
I said three, and
Uh-huh.
his reaction, oh, it's good. Another American tutor, I said to her, I have three kids,
Uh-huh.
uh, and she said, "Oh, awesome! It's really good." And how old is she? And she just keep talking with me and talk to me.
Yeah.
The-
That's funny. So Americans are more exciting than Canadians?
Yeah, something like that. Maybe the winter and cold make them very cold.
Very boring.
Yeah, I think that.
I think you're right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe I talk to them to the summer in the summer.
Yeah, maybe it'll be better in the summer.
Yeah, maybe relax.
Yeah, maybe they've been in the house for too long.
Yeah, yeah, yes, exactly.
Yeah. I don't know. I would hate to live in the cold. Like have a long winter. I think that would be so terrible.
Yes, yes.
Stay inside and not have sunshine. I wouldn't like that.
Yes, the summer is very good to us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Does it get very hot in Iraq in the summer?
In the summer, the degree here reach up to 55.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's very warm, very warm.
Yeah, that's super hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where I live in the summer, it's like 45. Yeah. I don't know, like 45, I think Celsius.
40,
Yeah, it gets
in US, in your country,
in my city.
my
My city is very hot.
44,
Yeah. 45.
45. Yeah,
So it
it's
gets
really,
hot.
yeah, it's really warm like us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's a desert too. Isn't Iraq's a desert, right?
Yes, yes, we have a big desert in Iraq, but not in the southern.
Oh, do you live in the south?
No, no, I live in the capital, in Baghdad.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
the desert in the western.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. So does Iraq have like camels, like what Americans think?
No, but the camels belongs to Arab,
Like Egypt and
like Egypt.
Morocco, like
Yes,
that.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So there's no camels in Iraq.
No, no, we have camels.
Oh, you have some.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yes.
Okay.
So you don't have camels in your country?
I mean, at the zoo. But in our desert, we have more like coyotes, rattlesnakes,
Yeah.
scorpions, owls.
Very, very dangerous animals.
Yeah. Yeah. No camels.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Those are the animals. And like sometimes like a wild pig. The pig with the horns.
Oh.
A wild pig. Stuff like that. Or lizard, a lot of lizards.
Is it dangerous?
The pig?
Yes.
Kinda. Like I think the pig though is scared of people. So the pig, unless you're like trying to get the pig, you'll be fine. The pig will run away. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not dangerous.
Yeah, it's not really dangerous.
Yeah, yes, yes.
We call the wild pig, it's a javelina.
Javelina, the wild
The wild pig.
The wild pig.
Is a javelina.
Javelina.
Yeah.
Javelina behind you. Javelina.
How did you get in my house? Who left the door open?
So you leave me and leave Cambly and go away. Far away.
Yeah, I ran out.
And how is to see my English? How is my conversation?
You do pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can understand you.
Yes.
You speak clearly, and you're good at using simple words, simple conversation. It's good. I'm sure you're gonna get better and better.
Thank you so much. I will practice. I will practice every day to improve my language.
You're doing a good job. Keep it up.
I want to thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you. It was nice to talk to you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Have a good night.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.